The other thing I wanted to show you out here are these drying bins. So when we are preparing the chestnuts for flour, we use the nuts. So all of the really high quality fresh chestnuts that look really nice, we sell them as fresh chestnuts. And we make the flour out of the culled chestnuts. So these are the ones that we pick out because they have some sort of defect. Maybe they don't look quite right. They have shell problems. We're not sure if they're good or not. Maybe they have like holes from weevils or something. So we pull all those aside and we dry them. And then we grind those into flour. It's analogous to making apple cider out of the grade B apples. So we're making flour out of the grade B chestnuts. So this is just an ambient drying bin. And you can see on this side we have nuts that, these are fresh ones that just went into the dryer. I'll turn this fan on in a moment. So this is actually come off the grating line what they look like. And then in the next bin, you can just open that up. Those are ones that have already been dried. So those are totally dry right now. Those would be ready to peel. And you can see when they go in like at full moisture, they actually kind of crack open when they dry, which makes the peeling process a little easier. But yeah, so we have an example of like fresh ones that are just starting to dry and ones that are already fully dry. And then normally, if you stand back a little bit, we run this fan.
Here, let me stand back
Big fan,
just in case.
We have a perforated bottom here, and it just pushes air up through the chestnuts constantly, all fall along. So as we're culling, and we just add them to the drying bin, and these will sit and dry until the winter. And that's typically when we dry and peel during the winter months. So these will just keep drying all fall.
Is there any heat involved?
There's no heat in this one. We do our next version that we made. There's also a heater that feeds into the fan.
Speed the
so
process.
we can we don't want to heat them at really high temperatures because that really affects the flavor. So if we can dry them at ambient temperature, that actually means better flavor down the road.
Now do you grade by hand?
Yeah. So actually, let's look at the grading line next.